house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.
According to SRP and ACCA and APS and people who know every manufacturer of HVAC equipment on planet Earth, they all agree that the foundational step in the replacement of an HVAC system is to conduct what's called a manual J load calculation. Now, some people call this a heat loss, heat gain calculation. It's an assessment that takes into the consideration all of the energy characteristics of the home: the walls, the windows, the floor, the ceiling, interior heat gain sources like
lot orientation.
lighting and oh my goodness, occupancy makes a big difference. How cool a customer likes their home to be.
Yeah, what's that desired summer temperature?
Have there been energy efficiency improvements made on the structure? New windows, insulation added, exterior shade structures over windows. All of these things need to be taken into account, or you're throwing a dart at a pretty big wall.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.